For the record, should we clap? Yeah. He has a wonderful video for that song on his MySpace page, which is
actually I took it off of MySpace. It's now on YouTube, and we've got granny porn. There's granny porn.
Why do I talk to you?
I don't know.
Granny porn?
Granny porn.
I mean, I'm not judging if you're into that, but...
It was going to be clown porn, but it just didn't seem...
I don't want to know anything. I'm not a Jewish boy from Scarsdale. I don't understand you.
It's been a little more than 6 years now since they stole that famous election. Getting mighty tired of being told where I can stick my erection. I don't want to seem unrealistic, but I really feel the need to be all sorts of euphemistic. I follow my hunches, don't pull any punches, got my own sticks and stones, going ballistic. I'm a fag, I can drag, hang out with the hag, pledge allegiance to the rainbow flag. I came out at 16, I don't mean to brag, but when I do it, doggy style, I'll make your tail wag. Gonna take the star-studded spangle and see how it shines with some pink triangles. Gonna wrangle a few more rights, but I won't sleep till I win this fight. I don't know fear, I don't scare, and this fucking faggot's gonna take you there. A little more than a week of a dare, with the help of the quickie, a big old bear. My knees don't buckle, I don't back down. The muscles is there and I'm downright proud. Gotta take some time, work the crowd. This screaming queen's got a big out loud. I'm a fag, I can drag, hang out with the hag, pledge allegiance to the rainbow flag. I'm a fag, I can drag, hang out with the hag, pledge allegiance to the rainbow flag. I'm a fag, I can drag, hang out with the hag, pledge allegiance to the rainbow flag. Drag, hag, rainbow flag, doggy style shag, make your tail wag. Flag, drag, hag, rainbow flag. Every chain's still a dyke and her mama's on the rag. I am what I am, and what I am needs no excuses. Life ain't worth a damn till you shout out loud. I'm a fag, I can drag, and I hang out with the hag, and I'm in the rainbow flag. Oh, see, can you see? I'm a fag.
Duh.
Aren't you wearing your your earplugs? Yeah. This is a very meaningful, sentimental song. It's a song I wrote for my dear, dear, elderly, morbidly obese mother. Oh wait, I'm sorry, Kurt, I wrote it about your morbidly obese mother.
Oh, hell no.
Wind up on the couch or sleeping on the floor, but not because there's less room on the bed than before. There's no polite way to say it for sure. Fat chicks snore. You wanna stab them in the head with an ice pick, but it's really not their fault that they can't sleep on their stomachs. There's no polite way to say it for sure. Fat chicks snore. Just consider bigger, it doesn't make them bad. I know from all the fat chick friends I have, but it's not just broads. Fat guys snore too, so I'm really sorry ladies if I'm insulted you. So before you come at me swinging a 2x4, look deep inside your heart, you know it's true for sure. Something you just can't ignore. Like a whale stranded on the shore, or an epileptic flailing on the floor. It's like I said twice before, fat chicks snore. Fat chicks snore, but fat guys snore, and fat kids snore. Oh, rat-tat-tat-tat-tat-tat, wow, the eggs, wibble, wall, bats, porky, the pig, larger than cat, I mean, they're cartoons and they snore. Do you know why? Do you know why? I guess it's not a secret anymore. Fat chicks snore. Fat chicks snore. Fat chicks snore. Fat chicks. Once again, my name is Kris here. I am shamelessly plugging CDs. Only $10, cheap at twice the price. And 2 in case you wear one out. They'll be playing it that much that they'll wear it out. To my far right, Mr. Jamie Katz on the piano. Everybody. Taking up the rear here is Andy Morella. On guitar, vocals, and inappropriate banter commentary, the one and only. Texas is glad that he got him, but we miss him sometimes. Kris here. Thank you for breathing heavy, if not dying. That's it, we're done. Wild, spontaneous.